Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for Gym. How CallRail help you? Consumers are heavily dependent upon their mobile devices to find and contact businesses. Give your leads a simple way to respond to your advertising by using text messaging on your tracking phone numbers. Each local tracking phone number you purchase comes equipped with text messaging capabilities. When you send a text message from CallRail's interface, from the recipient's perspective, it's just like you texted them directly from your phone, except your tracking number shows as the caller ID. We'll also keep a history of your conversation so you and the rest of your team know how to help anyone reaching out. Send text messages from CallRail's mobile app. Take texting with you anywhere when you download CallRail's mobile app. Get mobile push notifications delivered straight to your phone's home screen so you can close your next deal faster and deliver exceptional customer service from the palm of your hand. Track text messages like clicks. We treat your text messages like we treat your calls by detailing the marketing campaign, PPC keywords, and lead qualification status of every text conversation. Your text activity log illustrates the volume of text messages received by your company and gives you the option to drill down into a specific customer's timeline to see their text activity alongside their call activity. Your text message data can be sent to your other marketing platforms through our native integrations with Google Analytics, Microsoft Advertising, Unbounce, and more. Tracking our growth. 2011. Andy Powell and Kevin Mann launched the first version of CallRail in Atlanta. $60 million. Annual recurring revenue reached in 2020 and growing. 180,000 businesses trust CallRail as their marketing analytics platform of choice. 200 employees. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.